Morning guys, you can see me. It's just before 7. It don't get light till at least 8 o'clock. My GoPro died just as I was trying to find somewhere last night. And I managed to find somewhere, nick of time. Got set up just before it got completely pitch black. But yeah, so this morning the plan is to get to a little place called Santiago, and then hopefully get some breakfast there, and then on to, there'll be approximately after that about 10 miles to get to Odeceixe. So we're going to get to Odeceixe, and hopefully I'm going to stop there then. I'm hoping to get there early-ish, or sort of just early afternoon, so I can have a bit of a chill out and get a room booked. And then tomorrow we're going to get the 10:30 bus to Porto Covo and start the Fisherman's Trail. So come on, let's go! First river crossing of the day, wet feet before we even start. Starting to get light now. Been walking just under an hour. The sun's on its way up just over there somewhere. Can't really see because of the trees. So in about an hour hopefully we'll be in Santiago. Again, apologies for the pronunciation. And hopefully we'll get some coffee there and some breakfast. The trail's been really easy to follow, waymarking fantastic. There's quite a few bits like this though. That you have to try to negotiate. Sometimes you just can't negotiate it, you just have to bob through it. There's quite a few of them are a lot bigger than that. But no, it's good though. I'm enjoying it. Surrounded in eucalyptus trees. There she is. That's our first stop off for this morning. Day 4, the Rota Vicentina. Garden in Santiago. Gonna have a little look around and pick a calf. Get something to eat, I'm a bit hungry. It's a busy little town. I'm here now in Santiago. Just got myself a little omelette and a calf. I'm going to sit here for half an hour, have a coffee. That's just come in now. Obrigado. Say hello. Shy. Just making my way out of Santiago now. had an omelette, some coffee, and we're heading to Odeceixe. It's about 10 miles. Hopefully get there just after lunch, and then try and see if we can finally find an hotel for the night. So we can have a nice freshen up, and then get the 10:30 buzz in the morning from Odeceixe to Porto Covo. The waitress was really chatty. She's asking me where I was from, what I was doing, and blah blah blah. And I said, "Do you want to say hello?" And the camera was like, "Ah!" This little section from Vicentina, there's been a right little obstacle course. That must have been the 5th tree I've had to try and negotiate. Quite a lot of blowdowns. It's nice though. Just look at that. I just keep looking at that. And I think to myself, I could be at home now. Freezing. But I'm not. I need to stop and get this top of my leggings off. I was going to take my leggings off at the camp, but there's too many people about and I didn't want to get arrested. This section apparently has got a few of those in the rainy season. Oh, we'll negotiate, won't we? That's the worst that can happen. Wet feet. And they're going to dry out in that in no time at all. Sorry, not sorry for showing the sun all the time. We just know how crap the weather is back in the UK. I stopped at pretty top. That's going to be the next Porto Covo. What do you reckon? So we're down there for some good times? No, we ain't better because we don't know what we're going to get into, do we, eh? We better crack on going that way. That way. Whew. I'm a bit hot and bothered now. I'm a little bit behind schedule also. on course. Just got just over 3 miles and we'll be in Odeceixe. Who knows what it's, who knows. I'm just passing some sort of caravan park, camping park. I'm about a couple of miles short of Odeceixe. sorry, not sorry. A couple of miles short of Odeceixe. So that would be an option for someone if they wanted to. But I've got my heart set on a hotel tonight. There you go, look. CampingSailMiguel.com. Rota Vicentina. I've been practicing cerveja por favor. Cerveja por favor. Cerveja por favor. Oh shit, Sherlock. Did that last sign just say 2.5 kilometres? I've just walked 10 minutes, it's also 2.5 kilometres. Come on, which one is it? I'm just a mile short of Odeceixe and I've been practicing my Portuguese. Can you tell me what I'm trying to ask for? Cerveja por favor. Cerveja por favor. Cerveja por favor. There we are. So we started off there, we've worked our way down to here. Then back to Porto Covo tomorrow on a bus. Free Wi-Fi. I just booked a room, guys. It's on the way there now. Booking.com. It's about a 2-minute walk from the middle. So I'm going to go and check in. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Ciao. Look there, look, hikers. They're the only 2 hikers I've seen. I'm going out on the town. I'm going out. I'm finally here in Odeceixe. Just enjoying the beer. Thanks for everyone that's bought me a coffee. Hashtag bought me a beer. I'll put it next door to those who's brought me on. Really appreciate it, guys. Really do not give you a little bit of a boost. If someone sends you a coffee or a beer or a couple of quid to get you sent a sandwich, it's ace. Cheers, guys. I'll buy one back. I'm just having a little wander around, just going out to get something to eat. There's a bit of a party going on. See you tomorrow. Day 5, Rota Vicentina, the Fisherman's Trail. Via Boschio Magno.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.